What's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you live, or whenever you're watching this, coming to you this morning, this afternoon, this evening, or this night with another money making banger for you. Today, we're going to be talking about chickens. You heard me? Chickens. Here you can see a chicken head, and I'm just playing. I'm seriously playing, but this really is a chicken head, just so you know. I'm not talking about other types of chicken heads. All right. So yeah, let's hope that me saying that doesn't get me in trouble. But whatever, man. Life is what it is. Let's just live it. I'm a ninja up in this, and I'm just going to be going on my missions stealthily, moving through these streets. All right. So if I'm going to get in trouble for having a sense of humor, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. So this lead is about a character artist at a company called Flaming Fowl Studios. Hence the fowl, this cock, rooster, whatever you want to call it, with flames for a comb. All right. So if you are good at graphics and you want to be an artist, this is a freelance position. It is truly international, meaning you can work from anywhere in the world. And it was posted roughly 4 hours ago. If you look up here, you will see that it is currently 8:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday, November 2nd, 2021. Okay? So, let's jump into it. Oh, and by the way, if you press this linky link, it takes you to their website. So, when you press it, it looks something like this. FlamingFallStudios.com. Okay? All right. So that's their website. I suggest you go there. Anytime I post a video of this nature, check out the website of the company because you can learn more about them than you would not have. Okay? So, cool sounds, right? All right. So, if you're good at graphics and all that stuff, this is the gig for you. Now, Flaming Fall Studios is an independent studio rising from the ashes of the renowned Lionhead Studios. We create games that feature deep and interesting strategic experiences with fascinating twists and always include a healthy dose of humor. Our current project is a strategic turn-based fantasy RPG role-playing game based on the renowned board game Gloomhaven. We are looking for a talented character artist to join our ranks and help us create awesome new content. Although the team is mainly based in the UK, we operate remotely, so we would encourage applicants from all over, all over, all over. Okay? Doesn't matter where you live, they're encouraging you to apply from all over. Flaming Fowl is built on a foundation of respecting quality of life over everything else. And you know what that means? They tend to give a lot of PTOs. They tend to let you, let me not say slack off. That's poor. What did I eat for dinner? I have no idea, but that's funny. They don't want you to slack off, but they tend to give you really good work time balances. Okay. Now it says they are a fully distributed team working flexible hours and currently have team members from all over Europe. If you are fed up of commuting, fed up of being micromanaged, and want to define your own hours, then this is a great opportunity to become a core member of a growing studio, but with all the flexibility of working from anywhere in the world. Now, the role is as follows. We are looking for a talented, passionate, and proactive character artist with a proven track record in creating realistic and stylized characters to join our team. Your duties will include, from concept art and reference images, create high quality 3D image characters for PC and current gen consoles, including all clothing and accessories. Wow, interesting. Produce high poly sculpts, bakes, game meshes, and textures or materials. Work with our rigging and animation team to ensure that characters function correctly in game. Create materials and shaders in game. create materials and shaders in engine, help R&D in-game character pipeline, assist with reviewing outsourced character art when required, present, review, and discuss work online. Meaning you have to present, review, and discuss your stuff via the internet. So you might be using Zoom or another, if they have their own proprietary software, maybe, but you will be using these websites to talk. So if you need to put together a presentation and stuff, you need to get comfortable with that. Not many people are good at that. Some people are very good at talking in person, but not necessarily the best over a camera or over stream. Some people like to touch and feel and, use their body posture and body language and stuff, which is different because when you're sitting behind a desk, it's not so easy to move around and, be animated and stuff. You can be animated with your face and hands, but some people like to use their whole body. They like to use the whole room. They like to walk and pace around and stuff. Anyways, lastly, implement feedback from lead artists and directors. Now, the requirements, meaning what will qualify you for this role: a relevant degree and or an outstanding portfolio or demo that showcases your ability. Note it says and or. So having a degree or not having a degree ultimately doesn't matter. If you can do the work and prove that you can, which is why they ask for a portfolio or demo, then depending on how good it is, you may actually get a foot in. So all my people who are worried about not having a degree, shut up, respectfully. I say that with much love. People pine over not having a degree these days, and I'm not saying I have a degree. Where am I? Have I worked in places where my degree was heavily needed? No. I've been in stores selling stuff like meat. I've sold lunch meat before. Right? I mean, you'd think while getting the degree I would have gotten an internship at an engineering firm because I'm an engineer. No, I was working in a deli slicing meat. You get me? Having gotten my degree, have I gotten an engineering job? No. I'm in sales. Have I done engineering sales? No. Anyways, I'm not hating on degrees. I have a degree. I went through the whole system. But what I'm realizing is people want problems solved. They want things done, and that's what they pay you for. How well you get things done. Cool. Now, one shipped title on current gen consoles or PC. You should have expert knowledge of a current 3D modeling package, preferably Maya. Expert ZBrush and Substance Painter skills. Ability to follow either a realistic or an illustrative or stylized art style. Good problem-solving abilities. A true passion for video games and the desire to create high-quality experiences. Highly motivated with a proactive attitude and the ability to work as part of a team. Ability to manage time well and deliver high-quality assets on time and on budget. Excellent verbal and written communication skills in English. So even though the people said that they have people working from all over Europe, they want you to have a strong English background. I will go even further to say native level, fluent or native level. All right? Desirable, so it's not required, but desired, so it's not a must. Experience in Unreal and Unity. Some understanding of rigging or skinning. Node-based shader graph and material knowledge. Again, in Unreal and also in Amplify. Substance designer knowledge. Now, initially, this will be on a 6-month contract as we go through pre-production, but with the possibility to extend anywhere up to 24 months, which is 2 years. So they'll start you off at 6 months on a contract basis. I guess it's their trial period. And then after that, they will issue an extension going up to 24 months. Now, full disclosure, I am not affiliated with this chicken company. I keep saying chicken. Okay, I'm not affiliated with Flaming Fowl Studios. This is just me helping you realize that there are so many opportunities out there to make money online. Now, there are many people who are still into the 9 to 5 thing, or they love working for a company because they don't want the stress of having to worry about budget and bills and maintaining their staffing and people with their problems. Many people don't want to do that. Some people just want to show up, do what they love doing, and then leave. However, if you would love to show up and build your own business, you can check out that first link in the description below. It is a way to generate money semi-passively and even passively when you get to that stage. You can set up your own online business and have it run using the power of apps, softwares, and websites. Okay? Put them together, promote products. You don't have to have your own product, but if you do, great. If you don't, you can promote other people's products. There are people looking for people to promote their products. All right? So, check that out. And if not, and you're interested in Flaming Fowl Studios and you want to be a character artist for this RPG game, go ahead, apply, hit them up. But one warning I'll give you. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. If you apply here and it doesn't work out, you should have applied to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 other people. Okay? Don't apply to just one and expect to get a call back. Some companies, when they find what they want, they stop reaching out to people. Some don't answer emails. Some have probably read your cover letter and deemed you unworthy. Doesn't mean that you're not fit for the job. It's just not what they're looking for. Someone else will hire you, but they won't if you don't send your applications in because you're hell-bent on this 190 syndrome. You want to work for this one company and nobody else. Well, you're going to starve. Okay? Because you'll be out of work. So, if you're interested in this, check out the link so you can make some money. If you're interested in making money online by starting your own business, click the first link. If you're not interested at all, but you just like hearing my voice, right, thank you. Then share this so someone else can hear my voice. And while you're at it, hit the like button for me saying rooster head, flaming chicken. Hit the like button and subscribe. Maybe one day you'll see something that tickles your fancy. This is the Internet Income Ninja from the ashes, just like this game, rising to help you make money. Continue to stay safe, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.